Hi, I'm gonna show you how to cook vegetable, and this is the green beans. As you can see, there you go. I already cut it into nice shapes. Also prepared onion, garlic, red chili, and sometimes you can add other things, but this is sufficient just to make enough of a very simple cooked vegetable, and also require these other ingredients to make it into a tasteful vegetable cooking. It's going to be very fast, so let's begin. First, obviously, to start the fire, okay, not so hot, low heat, and then nice frying pan. You can use other types of frying pan, but I'm happy with this. Okay, right then. I use my olive oil, which I already store in this nice looking amber container. Not so much, and sometimes I put sesame oil, but I think today I'm gonna skip sesame oil. Sufficient just to have this extra virgin olive oil. Okay? And I take all the chopped garlic, onion, and chili, okay, and just to help out in getting all out. Okay, and beginning begin by stirring. Alright, I have to admit my cooking is without any proper measurement. No proper measurement. Right, so let it cook for a while. Not so much of oil is required. So obviously you need to cook it so have no disturbance to the this chopped garlic, onion, and also chili for a while. Let it cook. Okay. If you want, you can turn up the heat and occasionally stir it. And things start to become browning, turn to brown. The obvious one will be the garlic and onion. You may start putting a bit of water. Sorry, I'm gonna get the water. So just go and get the water here from my pipe. Okay, it's ready. You want to put a lot if you can, and reduce the fire. Okay. Low. Don't worry, things get burned. Okay. Right. While with the water getting hot, you now can start the process of adding the flavors. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna open this. This is the bean paste. All right. Take this much, add a bit more. Yeah, like I said, I don't follow any proper measurements. So and then you do like this. Okay, so that is on the salty paste. Now you can take anything, but I prefer this. Anything sweet. You want to add sugar also can, but better go for something which is already in the market. Okay, used to use the Lee Kum Kee, but I realized you could have some allergy effect after a while, so I stopped using Lee Kum Kee because of the seafood content of it. Okay. So do it, carry on doing it. Okay, you feel like the water has evaporated, you can always add more water. Okay. Add a bit more water so you get it to cook a bit longer. The one thing about vegetable is you must need water. Doing it dry will not cook the vegetable as you desire. Okay? So that's done. The final bit is, before you add the beans, cut beans, is to add salt. This is my salt container. I don't know, just take a pinch. Again, sorry, I don't measure anything. So that's you want to add a bit more, that's it, that's done. And then you just do a taste test. So it's there, but it's a bit salty. So what I'm going to do is add a bit more of this sweet chili sauce to get the final, nice taste that I am looking for. Right. And now you add that washed beans, cut beans, already washed and taken out all the water. Add it in there. Okay, and should have a little bit water that we require to cook the beans to what we want. Right, so keep mixing it. In my first trial of any cooking of vegetable, I realized when I did it without water, it just didn't come out right. Only after I have included water, the way you saw I did, it became as I did. Every time it doesn't fail, except you have to know which vegetable need more water and which one less water. For this one, just enough of water will do. But when you want to prepare the sauce or the gravy to put the green vegetable in, you can add as much as water because it get evaporated after some time. And then for beans, you make sure the water is at least before you add the beans that's been cut and washed. Right, so if you want it to be a bit faster, increase the heat as usual. Since I want it to be a short video, not a very long video, I have increased the heat. Again, how do you know when it's over? You can always pick one cut beans and put in your mouth and see whether it's to your liking. That's what I do. But of course, don't use your hand now. Use your spoon. That is, you have the spoon here or the big this utensils. So we just take a bit. The sauce is obviously good, tastes good. It's no longer salty alone. It has the taste of the chili sauce, but the preparation is not complete yet. Can heat a bit longer. Obviously some people are health conscious and they don't want to heat too long. So that's about it. I think it is now okay and ready to be served. So that's a simple and exciting way to prepare beans, and definitely based on my many times of preparing it, it will turn out right and also good to be eaten. Except, as I said, I'm not very good at the measurements. Thank you guys for watching simple cooking of vegetable.